Hello friends, today's topic is inverse of an element under a function. So friends, let's start. See, inverse of an element. A and B are two non-empty sets. F mapping from A to B. Then A to B. A is associated to B. Small a belongs to A set, which is associated to B. Small b belongs to set B under F. Then you can say B is the image of A, and you can write B is equal to F of A, or you may write F of A is equal to B. Okay, and A is the pre-image of B. A is the pre-image of B, and you may say inverse element of B is A. So you can write F inverse of B is A. So F inverse of B is what? A. This A. Okay. So here you can write F inverse of B is equal to A, or pre-image of B is equal to A. Next, inverse of an element for a bijective function. Here you see F is a bijective function, that is both injective and surjective. If a function is both injective and surjective, then that function is called bijective function. Injective means here one function, surjective means on to function. Okay, so this function f is 1. Here you see A is associated to 1, B is associated to 2, C is associated to 4, D is associated to 3. So 1 function, and here you see the range of this function is equal to codomain of F. So it is an onto function. Okay, now you see here f of A is equal to 1, f of B is equal to 2, f of C is equal to 4, f of D is equal to 3. Okay, in other words you may say F inverse of 1 is A, or pre-image of 1 is A. Inverse of 2 is B, Inverse of 3 is D. Inverse of 4 is C. Or you may say pre-image of 2 is B. Pre-image of 3 is D. Pre-image of 4 is C. Okay, and you write like this: F inverse of 1 is A, F inverse of 2 is equal to B, F inverse 4 is C, F inverse of 3 is D. Okay, so if f is a bijective function, then for each element of B set, that is y belongs to B, there exists f inverse of y, means inverse of y must exist, and it consists of a single element only. Single element. You see here f inverse 1, you are getting one pre-image or inverse. F inverse of 2 is B, only what element. Here you see F inverse of 4 C, only element, a single element you are getting, single element, as this function is 1 1 function, 1 1 function. So you are getting what? A single element only. Okay. Next, if f is many one and into function, then inverse of some elements of B, inverse of some elements of B may or may not exist, or the inverse of some elements of B consists of more than one element. If the function is many one and into, see here the inverse of 1 is A and B. So inverse, f inverse of 1 is equal to A and B, that is inverse of 1 consists more than one element. Okay. Now you see inverse of 2, that is C, or you may say pre-image of 2 is C. So here you are getting 1. What? One element only. Okay. And exist. Inverse of 2 exist, that is C. Inverse of 3, you are getting D. Okay, you are getting D. But inverse of 4 does not exist. Inverse of 4 does not exist. So here may or may not exist. Okay. So inverse of 5 is E. Okay, and you may write like this: f of A 1, f of B 1, f of C 2, f of D 3, f of E is equal to 5, and free image or inverse of elements of set B. You can write like this, means B to A, F inverse. Okay, B to A. Here F inverse of 1 is A and V. F inverse of 2 is C. F inverse of 3 is D. F inverse of 4 does not exist. F inverse of 3 is D. F inverse of 5 E. Okay friends, so you became able to find out pre-image and image of elements. Okay, so image of the elements of A set are in B set, and pre-image of elements of B set is in set A, means pre-images of elements of B sets are in A set. Okay, thank you friends.